loved it so much that I went back to the store and bought 4 extra bottles after 1 week of use. I've got 3 bottles left. Hey guys, this is Chicks on Patchwork of Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. During my last trip to Lagos, I went hunting for Miniso's Intensive Hydration Toner. Unfortunately, it wasn't on the shelf or it has been withdrawn, so I settled for their Rose Essence Toner, which retails for roughly 2,500 naira for a 400ml bottle. I also purchased their lens cleaning wipes and ultra moist men's lip balm. So in this video, I'll be giving you guys my quick thoughts on all 3 products. Let's start off with my least favorite product of the trio, the lens cleaning wipes. They are made of wet strength paper, pure water, 6-methylguanidine and isopropyl alcohol. They come in a box of 40 and promise to be quick to dry and flawless whilst leaving no residue. Unfortunately, they do leave residue most times, which you have to blow off. Some of the wipes don't come well pre-moistened though. In a nutshell, it's a waste of 2,000 naira, which is how much I think I paid for them. I wish I hadn't bought 2 boxes. Moving on. The men's lip balm is crafted like a traditional lipstick with claims of offering intensive moisturization via mango butter, shea butter, and vitamin E. It also contains castor seed oil, petroleum jelly, serum microcrystallina, and it has fragrance. At a retail price of 1,000 naira, the experience is basic to me. You might be better off using Vaseline Blue Seal instead. My natural eye spot lip balm with SPF 30 works better than this. All hope isn't lost, as the Rose Essence Toner is a winner for me. It's the most cost-effective hydrating toner I've ever used till date. I loved it so much that I went back to the store and bought 4 extra bottles after 1 week of use. I've got 3 bottles left. I don't know about the skin brightening claims on the label, but it sure does leave my skin feeling hydrated and revitalized. Its top 10 ingredients include aqua, butylene glycol, witch hazel extract, Centella asiatica extract, Japanese nutwood root extract, Chinese skullcap root extract, green tea extract, licorice root extract, and German chamomile extract. While some may frown at alcohol at the top of the list, it doesn't feel drying at all on application. It has a slightly viscous consistency, and depending on how much product you apply onto your skin, it might absorb fast or take a little while. In my experience, I haven't had to wait long to achieve complete absorption. As it contains the great Centella asiatica, I use a lot of it together with my La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5 when my skin is irritated. I've linked to the review up above. For me, there are no cons with this hydrating toner, and I hope to find it on the shelves when next I'm opportune to visit a Miniso store. I hope this review was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.